Let's solve the following example. This time we are going to add two mixed numbers. Mixed number means I have whole number and fraction together, so that's why this is called mixed number. Whole number and fraction, this is another mixed number. Now the technique which I'm going to show you right now works only for the addition, okay? So we cannot apply the same rule for subtraction, because for subtraction this rule is going to work only sometimes, okay? But keep this in mind, because this is very important in order to do not make mistakes with the subtraction, okay? So remember, this technique works only for addition. What we simply do, we add the whole numbers first. So I have 2 plus 7 is equal 2 plus 7 is equal 9. Next, we have to add the fractions. So I have 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal. We have common denominator stays the same, and we're supposed to add the numerators. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal 1. Okay, so if you want to find the final answer, you simply add this answer to this one. I have 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I can say that the whole equation is equal